Hello friends, in today's class we are going to discuss about IVF. IVF stands for in vitro fertilization. In vitro means in glass or in artificial condition. So here in this procedure fertilization take place outside the uterus in artificial medium where optimum conditions are provided to the growing embryo or developing embryo. So in this procedure, eggs are retrieved from the bodies of the females and sperms are retrieved from the bodies of the males respectively, and they are placed in the laboratory. They are placed outside in petri dish or test tube to facilitate the fertilization. And optimum condition in laboratory is maintained so that developing embryo get nourishment and optimum conditions are provided, and the developed embryo of 2 to 4 cell stage is transferred into the fallopian tube. So 2 to 4 cell stage embryo is transferred into the female reproductive tract or fallopian tube, where further development of the embryo take place and embryo will move into the uterus. But 1 to 16 celled embryo sometimes embryo between 1 to 16 cell stage are used in IVF for successful fertilization. Sometimes doctor insert multiple embryos into the fallopian tube, but that may again result into the multiple. So if multiple embryos are inserted, then chances of multiple pregnancy is more, which female does not like it. So multiple pregnancy may occur. So using IVF, multiple or large number of animals can be produced. For example, a female animal, if in her lifespan can produce 4 to 5 offsprings in her lifetime, means the producing number of the offsprings can be increased using IVF. This is in normal reproduction. In normal reproduction, if the female animal can produce 4 to 5 offspring, then this producing number of the offspring using IVF can be increased to 50 to 80 offspring. So same female which in normal reproduction, if it can produce 4 to 5 offspring, so number of the offsprings can be increased using IVF. IVF. Louis Joy Brown was the first human child who was born using IVF technology. So he was born on July 25, 1978 using IVF technology. So mother of Louis Joy Brown was treated infertility using IVF. And three scientists, they co-developed the technique of IVF. Are Edwards, P. Steptoe, and Jean Purdy. These three scientists, they co-developed the technique of IVF, but only R. Edwards received the Nobel Prize in physiology and medicine for IVF technology. In 2010 he received Nobel Prize, but these other two scientists could not receive because before receiving the Nobel Prize.
3.
I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel.